I, as the authentic national chairman of Labour Party, being the man who is former deputy national chairman and now acting national chairman, the only authentic, every other one is fake. Abure is fake. Lamidu Apapa is fake. Because Lamidu cannot emerge in illegality. Lamidu emergence would have been better if there was no consent judgment, if there was no Callistus Okafor existing. Lamidu will emerge. But as long as Callistus Okafor exists, as long as the consent judgment exists, Abure is illegal. Abure is not a chairman. Lamidu is illegal. Lamidu does not exist. The only exists national chairman, acting national chairman, is Callistus Okafor. And having said that, let it be, let everybody know that I said, I have ordered, which is the paper I have here. This paper has been filed. They filed this paper today. And this paper, my prayers, my beautiful prayers to the court is that Abure, that is, as long as Abure is not a national chairman, as long as in constitution of Labour Party, that an acting national secretary cannot be a chairman. That was all Abure has done. Everything from A to Z. I don't want to know, but I know that he did. He said he did convention, he did a special convention, he did primaries, he did this and did that. He has no powers to do that. For that reason, court should nullify all of them, and court should take my list because I have a list. I believe in rule of law. They know that I'm in court. They will not say, Abure will not say that he doesn't know I'm in court. Abure knows that I'm in court. If he doesn't know, the new amendment my lawyer has done now, I believe in the next few days he will get it. He will arm it in the court. They will be served. In the next few days, he will be served. When they serve him, if he say he doesn't know I'm in court, because he knows from the beginning, from Federal High Court, Appeal Court, and Supreme Court, he knows I'm in court. So, and Abure, like I said before, cannot. I would advise him, if he claim, and as a man who is in election tribunal, asking courts to do this, to do that for him, he should at first obey the judgment of the court. Court has ordered him, has restrained him to be the national, to stop parading himself as a national chairman. Why is he addressing press? Anyway, I only blame the law. If not, he's supposed to be somewhere. He's supposed to be behind the bars, awaiting trial. That is where he's supposed to be, not sitting down, speaking what he would speaking, telling the world lies. And I wonder why. I honestly, I still will not understand why people who are still following Abure haven't seen all the allegations leveled against him. And the people are still following him, calling him chairman. You don't expect me to go and start fighting and quarreling with Abure at the National Secretariat? Abure has told me to my face that unless court say otherwise, that he is the national chairman of Labour Party because INEC put his name at the INEC portal. Good. Since he says so, and that's why I'm in court. If Abure said that he's the only man standing as the national chairman of Labour Party, is because that his name is as INEC server, or whichever one he calls it. That does not make Abure until court says otherwise. Like I said, I am in Supreme Court. And again, Abure, you see, in my place they said that when the big masquerade come out, the lesser masquerade will go and rest. Whether Abure cannot stand before me and they say that statement, Abure is an acting national boss. I am his boss. I am the acting national chairman. Abure knows it. But I believe that soon Court will declare that, because an acting national secretary can never call himself. And then remember, the same man is saying this, who is saying, as asking court to do this, to do this, to do this, to do this. In his leadership, is not obeying court order. And there's an order restraining him to call himself a chairman. And he's still bold, addressing press, telling the world that he is a national chairman. He is bold, going to court, sitting as a national chairman. Yet there is a court judgment restraining him to do so. Now, is this man competent, worthy, deserve to be a chairman? For me, no. It's because I don't blame him. I blame INEC. And the same INEC is who he's blaming. Now, he's not calling any names. For me, the only thing I will say to INEC,